students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. On September 7th, we thought of starting a new CA Inter regular batch. Due to some unavoidable circumstances, we have postponed the commencement of the batch to September 16th. In other words, we are going to start the new CA Inter regular batch on September 16th instead of September 7th. Now, let me explain you few details about this new CA Inter regular batch. This is a completely new regular batch. This is not a crash batch. In this regular batch, coaching will be given for both the groups. It's not single group. Generally, in crash batches, we'll be giving coaching only for single groups. So, in regular batches, we'll be offering coaching for both groups only. And the coaching will be given just like the way we are giving coaching for 43rd session regular batches. In this batch, entire syllabus will be taught by us. No chapters will be left. And on each Sunday, we will be conducting chapter and exams also. For 43rd session regular batches, we were unable to conduct the exams. But in this case, we will be able to conduct the examinations also. Chapter and exams will also be conducted. And syllabus will be completed by the end of April. That means students are supposed to plan their preparation in such a way that every day they need to listen to the classes and should also plan for their preparation. So, students who want to appear for public exams in May 2021 can also join in this batch. Students who want to appear for CA Inter exams in November 2021 can also join in this batch. After completion of syllabus, there is no scope for conducting revision exams because syllabus completion itself will take April ending. We try our level best to finish off the syllabus by April 15th, but I cannot be sure about that. It all depends on how students receive the classes. So that's why I am unable to promise the same upfront. It all depends on various factors. We'll try our level best to finish off the syllabus by April 15th. If not, by April ending, we'll be able to finish off the syllabus. That's why we are not planning any revision exams. Till the completion of batch, I repeat, till the completion of batch, classes will be conducted through Zoom platform only. Even if government permits us to open the colleges, we will not conduct the classes physically. So from the beginning of the batch till the end of the batch, classes will be conducted through Zoom platform only. Everyday classes will be conducted for 10 to 11 hours. Initially, we will be conducting for 4 to 5 hours only, but gradually we will be increasing the same and we reach a position where we will be conducting classes for 10 to 11 hours a day. So, on each Sunday, we will be conducting weekend examinations in the name of chapter and exams also. Material will be given through Telegram, that is, material will be given in the form of soft copies only. Students need to arrange Xerox copies on their own. We are not going to provide any Xerox or printed materials to the students. Students need to arrange them on their own. So these are the major points which a student need to consider before joining into this batch. Students of 43rd session regular batch are also showing interest to join in this batch. Hope you have already received information with respect to concession that management is ready to provide to such students. Even old students, if they are interested, can join in this batch and they will get huge concession in the fee. So, I expect all the students to make best use of this service and join for this batch. All the best.